So we're in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Apparently 8 power lines are down because of the storm. So we
call it a snow cane.
We have no power, no heat. We cannot get in and out. Well, we can get out, but we can't get into our room. And then, as our resources, the front desk provided us with some
bagels.
Bagels.
Nobody else got this. We got lucky. And then a bag of soup.
A bag of soup, but
can't heat it up. But
can you pass me the soup, please?
But hey, they got us spoons too. So.
Oh, we got spoons, and then pass me. Let me show you guys which soup they just had in there.
Yeah,
so
we got it's like a smorgasbord in here. We got chicken noodle.
This is Campbell's
staple
in a can.
We got chili, which I feel like if we eat that, we're gonna gas ourselves out of the room. And there's like another chicken noodle somewhere. Oh, yeah. Another chicken noodle.
So, just in
breakfast,
case
lunch, and dinner.
You guys don't hear from us, it's because we froze. In, what is it, 10-degree weather?
Yeah.
Signing off, guys. But this is our current situation. We are in complete darkness. There's no heat.
Here, and it's because a truck hit a power line and took it out. What's up, world? We are stuck in the dark here. No heat, no power, no phone,
no
food, and we just skied like 8 hours straight, so we're starving. That is the current situation, and it blows.
We are running down on supplies. He's munching on final trail mix. We have 2.5 bagels left, a bottle of water. Alright, So we don't have too much time, but just to give you an idea, you should be able to see smoke. We are full ski gear in our hotel room.
Trying to stay warm.
Beyond horrible. It's definitely below 20 degrees in this room right now. So, just in case. It's nice knowing y'all. So we're basically at rationing our food out, just getting the essentials. We have our trail mix. We got the nice lady at the front desk gave us a can of chili and chicken noodle soup. Here we're down to 2.5 bagels. Very important at Tums at this time and moment. We have a glass of water, bottle, and
I'm just gonna.
no, we gotta
No,
ration it
I
out.
want some.
We
I
gotta
need
ration
some.
it out. This is chronologue number 7. We are, hey Travis,
Yo.
we are now taking a car to Idaho to try to get out of this place.
Road tripping.
And we have a very gracious driver who will take us there. What do we do? So he's a cinematographer, and I have an entertainment company. Music.
This is the video logging continued. We've now abandoned the taxi, and we are now in a Suburban driving to Salt Lake City.
We've technically become
And
a
we've
taxi.
picked up some hitchhikers from Connecticut. This is Tom and Kaylee, and we're just hoping they don't murder us for the vehicle.
Well,
No,
hopefully,
we're on tape now.
Yeah, it's on
Plan
tape.
B.
Can't erase that. More to come? Alright, this is the video log continuing. We have just stopped in Soda Springs, Idaho on our way to Salt Lake. Alan decided to get some supplies and rations for the road, which consisted of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and gummy bears. You're very healthy.
it's what is it? What's the slogan? Wheaties for
Oh,
champion? Champion for Wheaties?
Breakfast
or
of
something?
Champions.
There you go. This is the,
Perform monkey.
yeah. This is the picture, the longest picture. Now we are in Salt Lake City. We just returned the car from Jackson. Drove 4.5 hours, picked up 2 hitchhikers, and now we'll be renting a car to go to Park City.
Yeah, now we're fixing the hood because apparently they gave us a rental car with the hood unlatched. So we're driving down the road with the hood open warning going. So we do that and not get run over here. Dancing like a monkey because that's what we're doing on this trip. I got nothing else to say. I just want to get there.